Have you ever been ready to integrate a payment gateway, only to hit a wall when it comes to testing? Setting up a safe, reliable testing environment can be the biggest hurdle. That's exactly why we're here, to walk you through setting up your Paysafe sandbox environment. This sandbox is your digital playground, a completely separate world from the live production system, where you can test all your integrations, try different payment methods, and simulate transactions without spending a cent of real money or risking any live customer data. So, how do you get started? It's a simple, three-step process. First, you need your dedicated Paysafe test account. You can usually sign up for this directly through the Paysafe developer portal. This isn't your live account, it's specifically for testing. Once registered, the crucial part is accessing the merchant back office for your test account. This is where you'll find your all-important credentials. Step 2 is all about API keys and endpoints. In the merchant back office, navigate to the API keys section. You're looking for two things, your public API key and your secret API key. These keys are your gateway to authenticating your test requests. Crucially, you also need the correct test API endpoint. Paysafe uses a specific URL for its sandbox environment. Make sure you are using the designated test URL, it will look different from the live production URL. Using the wrong one means your test transactions will fail, or worse, accidentally go live. You must use the test keys with the test endpoint. Finally, step 3 is running a test transaction. Now that you have your sandbox keys and the correct test URL, integrate them into your code or payment solution. To really validate your setup, Paysafe provides a list of special test card numbers. These aren't real cards, but they're designed to simulate different outcomes, like a successful purchase, a decline, or an error. Use one of these specific test card numbers to process a test transaction. Once you run it, immediately check the test merchant back office. You should see the transaction recorded there, confirming that your integration is successfully talking to the Paysafe sandbox. If you see the transaction, you're set. You can now confidently move on to in-depth testing of all your payment flows. Remember, the Paysafe sandbox is not PCI DSS compliant, so never use real cardholder data. Use only the provided test details. Get this sandbox set up right, and your move to production will be a smooth, stress-free process. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.